Before you start rubbing the window down, is that it's worth putting a dust sheet down, especially if you work on stuff like gravel, anything like that, because it's a pain in the neck to clear up afterwards. So it's worth spending a couple of minutes just to throw a dust sheet down. So when you finish rubbing everything down, all the loose paints come off. You pick up the dust sheet, go off somewhere else and shake it off. It just makes the job look neater and you look a lot tidier. So yeah, top tip there. The first part to rub it down a window is to get all this loose flaky paint off. Now I use this, well, it used to be called Scarsons, I suppose it still is, but it's a sharp blade. You just get all this loose paint off with. It's all the loose flaky stuff. Go along here, get all this off so that you've got somewhere to start halfway decent. So I'll carry on with this and see what we end up with. So once you've cleared down the Scarsons, you've got most of the flaky paint off. What you do is cut the sight lines back, so where the previous paint has been on the glass, just get your blade, this is a filling blade, but you can use any blade, sharpish blade, and then just cut these sight lines back. So cut it back, remove all the paint that's already on there, so that when you go to put the new paint on, you've got a nice sharp, crisp line, and you're not going to someone else's old paint that's on there. So yeah, so you cut the sight lines back like that, get all that paint off. It gives you a nice crisp edge to go to, like I said. So do that on all 4 panes, and then you're ready for the next stage, which is to get a sander on it and sand all these, feather these bits of loose paintwork back. The Merca, this is just as good outside. There's no need to have the dust extraction outside, really, I don't think. And also it saves a bit of wear and tear on the Merca, so just an ordinary Makita palm sander with some P80 on here. So yeah, just flick over everything you've previously scraped back and get all these edges nice and smooth. Just feather them in. All the loose paint's been scraped off with the Scarsons, sight lines have been scraped back, and it's had a good rub down with P80 and the electric sander. So now what we need to do is fill up all these cracks. And I always pay particular attention to the bottom half of the window, because this is the half that gets all the weather. You know, the rain comes down, hits the sill, splashes back up against the window. These joints here need a lot of attention. Make sure they're filled and looked after. So yeah, let's get this filled up, and then we can start priming. When it comes to filling wood outside, I never use 2-back. It's just not up to the job. It's all right for inside, but it's not good enough for outside work. I've been using Repair Care and also Timber Build, which is a good product. Fine with Timber Build, you can actually rub it down a lot easier. But another good product for little cracks is this 2-Pro wood filler. It's just worked really well. It's a powder, and yeah, you get it to a nice paste. It feels beautiful. So that's what we're going to use on here, because we've only got some sort of like fine cracks, nothing too deep. There you go, look at that, see? Nice creamy consistency for the wood to be filled. duster, dust this off a little bit. Whack that away. I know there's a knot there, I've just seen it before you start. Does look like it's got a knot in it though from before. Another drop wouldn't hurt though. I hear what you're saying. It's always worth filling those joints there. Like I say. Then I want to get all the weather. I do like doing it on each side there. Satisfying. Because they look so crap to start with. By the time you finish, you can make it look really nice. Please don't forget to subscribe below, and also if you enjoyed this video you might enjoy that one too.